Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials, bringing another original design, another literary classic here. This is Nathaniel Hawthorne's The Scarlet Letter. Let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be my left side. We're going to put that out at my belt line area. We come over here, put a dimple in there, bring it over, secure it. We're going to come up and over like this. We're going to come down and around like this. Then I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to bring it around like this. Then I'm going to do a wreath, and I'm going to kind of close it tight. And I'm going to come back down here like this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have it folded in half like this. I'm going to kind of fold it like this right here. I'm going to kind of fold it in half to where you have that. I'm going to put this, open up this one right here. Open it up here like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my collar down. Might twist it to where the smooth side's facing out. Let me put my buttons down here. While I'm doing this, remember, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Here we go. I'm not quite done working with it yet. I kind of want to do some post-production work here on it. Let's kind of open up these. Looking to make it kind of like an A. But kind of like this right here. Not quite an A, because that's what the Scarlet Letter was in the book. But I really like this. Just kind of moving these out like this. There we go. We'll leave it at that. There's the Scarlet Letter knot for you. Again, like, subscribe, and share this with friends who are into tie knots, and hit the bell notification because there's more knots coming. Owner and style, my friends, your 51 if you made. We'll see you in the next video.